Christmas holiday organization and storage haul. Oh no, it's the holiday season, baby. We need all the deals, okay?
Hoes.
What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Vlogmas. We are gonna jump into another Vlogmas haul, guys. So as you guys know, I am big on getting my home together and my home organization. I have found so many amazing finds on TEMU in order to help get my house together before the new year. And today's vlog, we are gonna do a Christmas holiday organization and storage haul, okay? So make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button if you enjoy all the home content. I am really big on getting my house together before the end of the new year, so that is my goal right now. And shout out to TEMU for having amazing finds that are super affordable for me to get my home together. Also, guys, make sure you use my code. It will be up on the screen in order for you to get an additional discount at checkout. And y'all know it's the holiday season, baby. We need all the deals, okay? So make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button, and we're just gonna jump right into it. Let's go, guys. Okay, we're gonna start out with this one because I kind of already opened this, but I've seen this and I needed one of these so bad. So I needed new stuff for my kitchen. When I moved in, I had a dish rack that was just like $1. My dish rack is like $1. It's white, it's horrible, but it did what it needed to do. But I've seen this on TEMU and was like, I have to have it. It will help so much with my storage in my kitchen, as well as look really nice and a lot more modern than the one that I have. So I found this, and I will have these put up on the screen. And I love this so much, y'all. So this is actually a 2-tier dish rack. So instead of your standard one, I actually have 2 tiers. And it has a whole lot of different storage on it, y'all. Cannot wait to put this together. It has wonderful storage, especially for the holidays. Like, I need all the storage I can for these dishes. Oh yeah, so it comes with this instructions. Looks like it's super easy to assemble as well. You need this. You definitely need this. Make sure y'all go shop this. And I'm gonna see if we can actually put this together real quick. So let's see. Okay, so we are gonna put this together. So it looks fairly simple to do. I just got all the pieces out. So basically, I'm gonna get the bottom piece together first, which is the tray. So it's telling me to take that out. And I think this is the drainer. Oh, so this is what like drains it into the sink so that you don't have that water buildup. Like, this is so bomb. Oh, and it pops out. So that's what drains directly into your sink. Like, shout out to TEMU, man. TEMU shipping, if you get it shipped from TEMU, it is free to you. Like, this is so useful, so cost effective. So these go on the bottom. So this also sits up off the counter. Like, I love this. You definitely need this. This is a must-have in your kitchen. Really think about it. When's the last time you replaced your dish rack? So this is super cute. So that's how it sits up. But as you guys know, TEMU has free shipping as well, or you can find products that are available in their local distribution. So they actually, so when you get on TEMU, you can actually filter and search products that are local distribution, where yes, you do have a shipping cost, but I mean, you get your stuff in no time flat. I actually got mine shipped directly from TEMU. And now we're gonna put this together. This feels super durable as well, so I don't feel like I got something cheap. Like, this is very durable, and I think it's gonna look so cute. So I'm gonna put this together. I think this is as simple as just snapping these together. And then set this one there. And then I think this one simply do the same thing and push them together. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how easy that was to put together. Literally put that together in 2 minutes. Oh, boom. And there you have it, a 2-tier dish tray. Like, I love that. That is super cute. And then it came with a holder for my utensils. So this looks like it's for knives and, you know, different sharp utensils. And then it has a nice little storage where I can put multiple things. I love that. Okay, so this just snaps on. Oh, this also has a little drain at the bottom too, so that the water drains out. Y'all, this is the bomb. Baby, if you need a new home update for the new year, or you just moved and you know you're gonna need a dish rag, like, y'all, look at that. Look at that. I cannot wait to put that in my kitchen. And then it comes with this too. Oh, this is for my cups and my mugs. Should I do that way? Oh, inward. Okay, so all the water drains inside. Look at that, y'all. Like, that is awesome. Shout out to TEMU. Make sure you guys go shop this. Like, if you ain't got a 2-tier dish rack, then what are you doing? That is so cute. I love it. Shout out to TEMU. Thank you, TEMU. Love that. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, guys, now that the dish rack is done, let's see what we got next. I ordered this because for the holidays, I really wanted to upgrade my coffee bar. I want to be able to have a coffee bar and a hot chocolate stand. And my coffee bar is not a real coffee bar. Like, I used a bar cart that one of my friends had gave me when I moved, and I used that and turned it into a coffee bar. It served its purpose. I am a super repurposed DIY girl. But it was time for me to get me something that I could use as a coffee bar. So this, I didn't want a traditional coffee bar because the area I have is super narrow and small. I wanted more of a shelf. So I actually got this standing shelf, and it is so cute. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So let's unbox this. So here are the pieces. So this was another thing that was super easy to assemble. I think I just kind of snapped these together. Yep, with the poles and the snaps. Let me keep that to the side because it did come with these, and these like hold your mugs and stuff, but we'll get to that in the end. Okay. Oh yeah, this will be fairly easy. Okay. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but literally it's only 4 steps, 4 or 5 steps. So I think we can put this together fairly quick. All right, we're gonna lay these out and we're gonna build this next. Okay. Okay, so let's just go step by step. So take one of these with a number 3, which is the longest, and pop it into another one of these. So this must be building the shelves. So, okay. Let's see. So that looks fairly simple. What part needs to go on the bottom? Okay, got it. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna put these together real quick, guys. So I'm just making sure that these little ones have the circle on the bottom and not that, because this actually has to be able to hold the wheels. So I'm just gonna throw this together. Like, shout out to TEMU, I love this. And I love stuff that's easy to put together. Like, this is no tools required, which I love. I think I got it, y'all. And this is actually 4 tiers. This is actually 4 tiers, so it's a nice size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4 tiers and a hanging rack. So this is an awesome size for this price. also, you guys know that TEMU has their no hassle return policy. They have a no hassle return. So if you need to return something because it's not to your liking, then it's no problem. For their TEMU shipping, if their shipping is off, they give you a $5 credit for you to spend however you want on the website. So TEMU is really good with the customer service side, which I really, 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 really love. So you guys make sure you are shopping TEMU, okay? Especially for stuff for around your house that you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on, but you really, really need. Like, everything from my house pretty much comes from TEMU. TEMU, because I like affordable things, but that still last and will keep up and change, and that change as my taste changes. So I love that. All right, that's much better. So I'm gonna finish this off and put some music on this, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am all done. So these are the hooks for my. How do you do this? Oh, this is so cute. So now I'm just clipping on my little hooks for me to be able to put my coffee mug on, which I thought was so freaking cute. As y'all saw, that took no time to put together. I got a little confused in the beginning simply because I didn't read the directions, but look at that. I hope you guys can see that. Like, look at that. I love it. And here are the hooks. We're gonna go put this in my kitchen. Let's go. So here are today's DIY projects. We got the shelf and we got this. So we're got to put this in my kitchen. But I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I usually be thinking I can't put nothing together, but I did. Shout out to TEMU. Super easy. When they say easy assembly, easy assembly. But I will definitely be decorating this for Christmas. I don't know. You think y'all want this in this vlog or the next vlog? We'll see. Oops. So I'm just gonna move this. They also had a lot of really cute coffee bar stuff and coffee bar storage. So I want to go on and get some of that. They had a really cute coffee organizer as well as a little thing for you to keep all your pods in, which I thought was super cute. So I want to go on and get that. When it comes to like home storage, TEMU really has a lot for your home organization. And as I've been saying lately, like, ooh, that is perfect size. That is perfect. And I can open my refrigerator. Yes, okay. That is perfect. Go get this. Y'all gotta go get it. You gotta go get it. Came from TEMU as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Shout out to TEMU. Make sure you guys go shop these amazing products. And don't forget to use my code on the screen. Happy holidays, guys. Happy Vlogmas. And stay tuned for more TEMU finds. Bye, guys.